all the same goals. Going paperless can make documentation and information sharing easier, keep personal information more secure, and help the environment. A paperless office is a work environment in which the use of paper is eliminated or reduced. This is done by converting document and the other papers into digital forms. A process is known as digitalization. Reality. Paper is the number one material thrown away and also one of the biggest polluting industries. Companies interested in reducing cost and building business sustainability are actively pursuing paperless office. While a completely 100% paperless office may be unattainable, a few decisive steps applied over the time can dramatically reduce, if not eliminate, the vast majority of paper in office. Why go paperless or benefits? Save time, save money, save space, improve security, boost company image. Save time. Usage. Using a paperless office platform allows easy access to all documents by employees. They can search the company database without opening multiple applications or digging or going through messy complex paper files. Going paperless means exchanging and archiving information digitally rather than through letters and pages held in hand. It can free up closets, cupboards, and even entire offices. In result, it saves lot of time. Security. Natural disasters can ruin or mix up paper documents just because they are filled in cabinet or a closet which are locked does not mean they are safe. Digital records can be secured against printing, copying, and sharing. It is the main benefit. Boost company images. With that much paper being used, a document or image scanner can significantly reduce paper waste in office. Not only going paperless with document and image scanner save money, but it decrease paper waste. It can increase employees' productivity. Our organization can save more than just paper by adopting a paperless office. The money spent on printer, ink, toner will significantly decrease. The simple way to have a huge impact on the environment is through reducing paper usage and going paperless by using digital technology. So save paper and save trees. Thank you.
Very